Do you ever have a morning where you wake up and you look like you were out partying all night, or maybe something bad happened and you cried an hour before going to bed, and this is what your face shows up in the morning? Oh, I woke up at 3:33 this morning. I have a headache. I am congested all through this forehead part of my face. I am not having a great morning. I do have some tennis this morning, and I'm going to show you what I do to get rid of all of this inflammation in my face. First thing I did was come into the kitchen and mix my supplements with 8 ounces of water. All my supplements are in powder form, and I drink it down to hydrate. I really need to hydrate. And now I am making myself a cup of coffee. I put a small spoonful of ghee into my coffee, and then I am going into the restroom to splash some cold water on my face before I start my dry brushing routine. Today, I may have to dry brush for a good 30 minutes to get this inflammation and drainage out. I'm feeling a lot of drainage come out. My headache is definitely in the background. I'm going to continue working with my ears and my whole lymphatic system to see if I can get some more of this pressure out of my head this morning, and then move on to my Guasha. Well, I think I got rid of a lot of that inflammation in my face. I know my headache feels better, although it isn't gone away all the way. I've got my bag, my bike is there. I'm getting ready to ride over to the next neighborhood, meet some amazing ladies to play some doubles tennis. I hope you make time to use your gua sha and your dry brush today, as well as get out and play. Have a wonderful day.